Did you know that over 50% of top US business schools, including NYU Stern, UCLA Anderson, and Michigan Ross, waived off the GMAT requirements in 2023? So if you think getting into a top B school without GMAT is impossible, then you have to reconsider. And here are some of the great alternatives that you can explore if you want to skip the GMAT. Number 1, you can take GRE as an alternative. The GRE is accepted by over 1300 top B schools globally. In fact, almost 32% of applicants who apply for MBA at top B schools now use GRE score instead of the GMAT. Number 2, focus on work experience. Schools like INSEAD, HEC Paris, and NYU Stern waive GMAT requirements for candidates who have relevant work experience that can fulfill the requirement of top B schools. Number 3, executive assistant. While this is specifically tailored for professionals who have 8+ years of work experience in the industry, EA is a less intensive exam which is now accepted by 100+ top B schools including Columbia, INSEAD, and some of the B schools in UK. And lastly, target master's program without GMAT. Degrees like MSBA, MIM, and MPhil at top B schools like Duke or HEC Paris often do not require GMAT score. These programs are designed for fresh and early career professionals. So whether it's exploring alternative exams, leveraging your work experience, or targeting non-GMAT programs, there are plenty of ways to secure admission in top B schools without the GMAT. Still unsure about which exam to take or which B school is best for your profile? Then just check out the link in bio.